Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing and taste testing the Miracle Berry bush. So this is our part one of our three-part series. Make sure to go watch the other two right after this video. And so let's get started. Here is the Miracle Berry. This fruit is a bright red ovoid-shaped fruit in a bush.
You can take it off.
Yeah, let's take it off.
Okay.
It kind of looks like a cranberry. The inside has a translucent flesh, and the skin is bright red. It's about 2 to 3 centimeters big. This bush is potted because we live in Southern California, which doesn't get much rain. This bush loves rain though. So since we don't have that, we must keep it in a pot. And since we have our kind of cold California winter weather, we have to move it indoors and keep it in a pot, and we can't just plant it.
Okay. Let me give you some tips on growing this. They love acidic soil. They also love the great draining soil. They have to be moist. You cannot keep them dry, so you have to have. And most importantly, and you're going to see this on this tree as well, they don't like just regular water with chlorine and fluoride. They're going to have their tips burned, so you have to put a filter on, otherwise you're going to have problems when you grow them. So it's either rainwater, tropical water, and good temperature, or grow them internally and filter your water, remove the chlorine and the fluoride. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button and watch our other videos. Eat clean and eat green. Bye.